Welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 30 divided by 15 upon 5 times 10. This algebraic expression seems very simple, but it tricks almost everyone. 90% of people choose the wrong option. 5 times 2 is equals 10. Is equal to 30 divided by 15 times 2. They think multiplication has higher priority than division. So they do the multiplication between 15 and 2. Is equal to 30 divided by 30. They do the division between 30 and 30. Is equal to 1. 1 is the wrong answer. 30 divided by 15 upon 5 times 10. It means that we need to perform all the operations step by step in order from top to bottom. Use the rule of. We must start from the left and move towards the right. Perform these operations in order. Use the rule of KCF. Is equal to 30. K stands for keep the first number as it is equal to 30. Change the division sign to multiplication. F stands for flip the second fraction. 15 times 2 is 30. Numerator multiplication is equal to 2 times 5 times 10. Now we do the multiplication. Is equal to 100. 100 is the correct answer. Write your correct answer in comments. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और कमेंट कीजिए. सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल.